Communications. Happy May 4th, Star Wars Day. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're staying safe and sane. And I just wanted to do a quick little check-in about what's due. And I actually got rid of one other shelter-in-place announcement. So the only two big things you are turning in are one last shelter-in-place announcements, which will be a few weeks from now. It's on the 21st is when it's due. I'll have the list of what you are supposed to be doing by the 14th at the latest, hopefully a little sooner. I'm relying on a lot of people to tell me a lot of things for these things, which is why it's always never exactly I know when it's coming out, because I know people want to say stuff and they're trying to get to me and they don't. So I took off week 8 because there's a lot of AP tests going on, and it's going to be rather static for a while. But we want to do one last show. This is worth double, and then you have your independent shelter-in-place video. There's 2 progress checks for that. There is right here, pitching your idea. You're supposed to be pitching your idea to me right now, and then we're supposed to be giving each other feedback on that. Then I just want a progress check starting next week, what you have filmed or what you've tried. Check in with that at some point, and then this originally was due a little bit earlier, but I pushed it back to the last day possible, just to kind of give you guys time. I know there's some people doing AP tests, or some people not, and just needing that extra time. When you are editing, you can, and I've given you instructions on how to download Premiere. If your computer can't handle Premiere, I've given you alternatives as well. One of those alternatives is WeVideo. This is for digital filmmaking, but I just wanted to show you how easy it is. It's a little different though. So you get into WeVideo, and let's say this is the shot I want. I know, it's weird. It's other class digital filmmaking. But I can trim it, right? This is if you didn't have any actors. So I gave them, so I'm trimming it here. To get it in the timeline, in Premiere you want to grab here, you can't do that. But it's trimmed, and this is the shot. It comes down in here already trimmed to whatever I specified. So the timeline's very similar. It's up here. The audio doesn't show up as a track here. It's just its own track, and you can mute it, or you can adjust the volumes per track, not per clip. Okay, so it's a little bit more limiting, but it will definitely work for what you need to do. You will have this watermark because it's a free account. That's okay. I just want to see that you're trying and doing and applying what you've learned in my class to something. So you can use Premiere at home. You can use this. I'll give you a few more editing tips later, but I wanted to show you it was definitely doable. Like, then I just take this shot, trim it, pull it in next, right? And then if I needed a song, I can pull in a song. If I wanted to stack tracks or put in some text, I can put in some text. Okay. It's rather simple and straightforward, especially it's just like a lighter version of Premiere. Okay. So please be checking that calendar. There's not too much to do, but please make sure you're doing it. And I hope you're all doing very well. The shows have been great. The last one just came up. Again, I've heard great things. So thank you for everyone that participated. Stay tuned next week to announce when the announcements are coming for which you have to record, and do a really good job on this last one. And then you have your final independent video to turn in. You can do these early, except for the shelter-in-place announcements. You can do everything early and now and be done with this course. Or if you're a little stressed out this week or next, you can kind of delay it a little bit and then try and focus it when the APs are over. It's totally your call. With that, hope you're doing well, and I hope to see you soon.